very bad. You know, some people are snakes, like snakes. Some people are like snakes. If there is one baby snake, you give milk you give food to the baby snake slowly, slowly, slowly. Once the baby snake is adult, bigger, what he will do? He will bite you first. Once the baby snake is bigger, even you feed the baby snake with milk, with food, with everything, he will bite you first. Why? Because it's nature. It's the nature of this snake. He will must bite to the owner first. Same, some people are like snakes. They don't want to see their friends, their close friends, their relatives. They don't want to see them successful. They don't want to see them happy. They don't want to see them moving forward, because their nature is like a snake.